Hi friends, in this problem we are given a triangle ABC. Length of the sides AB and AC are 17.5 and 9 centimeters. Right, AB is 17.5 and AC is 9 centimeters. Right, let D be a point on the line segment BC such that AD is perpendicular to BC. This angle is 90 degrees. Right, if AD is equal to 3, AD is equal to 3. What is the radius of the circles circumscribing the triangle ABC? That's why we have drawn a circumcircle also. Right. We want to find out what is the radius. This one. What is this radius R? Right. Earlier we have proved two important things. Two important properties of circumradius and related to that. That is circumradius R is equal to ABC by 4 into area of the triangle. ABC are the lengths of the sides and 4 into area of the triangle. Please go through this video for details. We have proved this. Right. At the same time, area of a triangle is BC into sine A by 2 or AB into sine C by 2, whatever, whichever two sides you are taking. The enclosed angle and sine of that, half into two sides into that enclosed angle. Right. Earlier we have already proved this. Please go through this. We'll use this same property here. Right. Now we want to find out what is the circumradius. Circumradius is what? Circumradius is ABC by 4 into area. ABC by 4 into area, but we don't know what is A here, right? We know what is C, what is B. They don't know what is. Uh, there is ABC by sorry, radius of the triangle, radius of the circumcircle R is equal to ABC, product of different sides by 4 into area of this triangle. What is the area of this triangle? Half into this A. This A into height. Height is 3. Right. Half into A into 3. That is area of this triangle. Right. Half into A into 3. That is area of this triangle. Right. Now at the same time, what is ABC? ABC is 9 into A into 9 into, we don't know what is A. A into B is 9 into 17.5. Right. We don't know what is A. This is area of this entire triangle into 4. So we want ABC, A into 9 into 17.5 by 4 into area of this ABC triangle, which is half of base into height. Height is 3, right? Half of A into 3. Now this A and this A will get cancelled. We will be left with 9 into 17.5 by this 2 will go 2 times 2 into 3. 9 into 17.5 by 2 into 3. We'll get 26.25. Right. We should not be worried that we don't have one of these sides. Doesn't matter. But this side we can cancel on both sides. Even here also. Area of the triangle, because we know this. We are using this height. Right. This height and this base. So half into A into 3, right? And in the numerator also we have ABC. So we can cancel this A from both sides and still be able to calculate what is the radius of this circumcircle. Thank you guys.